Notice just a few words about the system I'm proposing that you really need to know. This system contains the most dynamic lead generation methods coupled with the most powerful follow-up marketing that we've ever combined in such an amazingly cohesive and unified manner. What's more exciting is it's resulted in higher conversion rates than most methods in the market. How do I justify that statement, you ask? Well, just take a minute, 10 minutes, I promise, and share with you the details. It'll add up, make perfect sense. Okay, you already know that the real estate market is really kind of blown up. There's more people coming into the market because of low interest rates, producing on average higher commissions than we've ever seen historically. So we know realtors are making money. We know it's easier to get someone to buy if they're making money, so it follows that fellow realtors will entertain an offer that we're going to offer to them. Okay, now brokers, realtors, loan officers feel the imperative to improve their current lead acquisition and follow-up processes, especially now in this market. And we know that to sell, you need to find a market that needs what you're offering and has the ability to buy, in other words, the available cash. Okay, realtors, brokers, loan officers, they feel the need for what we are offering and the most can afford to buy, especially if they're higher producing brokers and lenders. So they do have the ability to step up. In addition, since we're already buying ads and leads from existing high-priced platforms, we're going to give them a way to get better leads at a lower cost. I'm going to get into that, how we do this. And I'll also show you how to find higher producing realtors and how to easily secure 5 or more deals a week. I'll show you how to immediately get their attention and have them respond to a single amazing text message. Like 80% to 90% of them at this point, you should read the behavior-inducing text. Okay, here it is. Hey, first name. I saw the X Street property quote on Zillow. I'm working with pre-qualified buyers. Can you talk? And full stop. That's it. This is the amazing text that gets incredible results. Brief and amazing, but let me tell you something. If you started sending that text right now, you'd have your first $500 per month customer by the end of this little presentation. So why will 30 to 40% of them purchase what you are offering? Because what you're offering them is a done-for-you service, which, like I said, they desperately need. It's good stuff. Here's an example of the dynamic lead generation you'll provide this client broker. This next bit will be about the guts of the system. To start, we target buyers and sellers using ads on Facebook. These ads are created using that client broker's current listings. These listings will appear on the Facebook newsfeed of this prospect who has previously home searched in the area. So if the video ad is clicked, the lead ad feature adds them as a lead in our system, and we retarget these potential leads with a number of live and automated features. We respond to the searcher with an instant messenger automated text string and prompt them to schedule an appointment in this client broker's calendar to meet with them. If they don't choose to schedule, there's an automated generated call to the client broker offering to meet to connect them by phone to this new lead. And if the searcher doesn't answer the broker's live call or falls out of these instant processes, then we follow up as by using our multi-channel processes, which include live calling, email, ringless voicemail, text, both mobile and social. And all these elements will be initiated, logged, tracked, updated, managed in your system. But get this, it's all done for you by our team in the background. You do nothing. You are simply selling this as a service to fellow brokers and placing them as members under you in your done-for-you system. All for a fee of only $500 per month. Not bad for someone who's paying Zillow on average $2,000 per month. Okay, so some of our people have been averaging 30 to 40% conversions. That's right, in system sales. So let's say you sell 5 of these deals in a week, which I guarantee is possible. For $500 per month, that's cash in your pocket, and these payments are recurring, compounding every month. Let's see, 5 times 500 is $2,500 per week. That's $10,000 per month. If you compound that amount monthly, month after month, that's going to be $360,000 your first year. Hello? I think that deserves a mic drop. As you know, our systems are overwhelmingly effective at getting responses and warming old leads. You've demoed the system. The terms for completing this contract and moving forward with your purchase has come due. Since you have received 6 months of intensive lead engagement and follow-up, and it has been intensive, and you're entitled to 4 more months on this platform because of your ownership. I'm proposing the following, and I'll add this social engagement piece to your remaining 4 months so that we'll run these campaigns for you as a done-for-you, completely hands-off process, although you can augment and add staff to ramp up any of these campaigns. So I'm offering to grandfather you into these rather blockbusting methods, and for no charge, other than your monthly ad budget, that is provided you fulfill the terms of our previously agreed contract, which I believe is slightly overdue. And here's another kicker: you'll still receive the 10 sub-manager accounts to sell to others. That means the dream of compounding this income source over the next 4 months is a reality. I really want you on board for this ride. There's nothing else like this on the market, and you've demonstrated your willingness and ability to work with us. Therefore, because of this and the affinity that we've shared, I'm amenable to injecting these new services and capabilities into your existing platform and gift wrapping them for you so that you not only benefit from them yourself, but you can also provide them to others and thereby create a means of stuffing bags with cash, ostensibly. All this would be conditioned on fulfilling your contract terms within the next few days. That's kind of important. So, as you can see, the next few days is rather pivotal for us to move forward with all this goodwill. You'll be locked in as the exclusive source provider of these services for this area. And then after this next 4 months, this proof of concept period, we can try renewing for the next 12 months at the bargain basement cost, simply matching the amount of your original agreement. And to wrap up this video, I'd like to just say I'm looking forward to a tremendous, long, and happy relationship with Gurney and Associates, and to helping you realize that dream of being that premier provider of home selling services and also of ground swelling systems for others in your market. Systems having the potential of boosting everyone's bottom line, including your own. And since no one else is presently providing these level of services, you're stepping up, and adding this piece ultimately sets you apart and establishes you as a core service provider of systems in this industry. Okay, bye for now.